Once, Detroit awoke as the city of the future. No longer just a dot on the map, it had become the beating engine of a growing nation. Smoke rose from factory stacks like banners of progress. The machines never slept. Streets echoed with the clatter of wheels and the murmur of working hands. Everything moved here: trains, trolleys, wagons. The very air itself seemed to hum with momentum. And with that motion came hope, carried on steel rails and wooden wheels. People came from everywhere, with calloused hands and tired eyes, but hearts full of belief. They weren't chasing promises. They came for work and found it. Shops opened. Theaters sparkled. Parks filled with laughter and light. Detroit breathed loudly, boldly, like a young man walking toward his future. Every step was forward. But Detroit wasn't just machines and money. It was music in the alleys, coffee shared on porches, Sunday suits and Saturday dances. It was grit wrapped in warmth, steel softened by soul. The winters were harsh, but the spirit was harder. Neighbors helped neighbors, strangers became friends. The city didn't just build cars, it built character. Time, too, marches on. Some dreams came true, others faded. And though the skyline changed, the echoes remained in bricks, in rails, in stories passed down. This was Detroit, a city that knew how to dream out loud and work even louder.